Technic Boar says hello to a new video. In today's video we want to show you how you can activate the Pro mode on your Sony TV. What exactly is that? What brings you that? You will always find out after the intro. Today we want to activate the Pro mode. This is a hidden menu on the Sony TV. Here you can do different things that are not possible in the normal menu, such as limiting functions so that no one can call them and much more. This works with a key combination. First of all, you have to try it out until it works. It depends on the speed at which you press the button on the remote control. If it doesn't work, then it was too slow or too fast. Unfortunately, there is no exact instruction that says at this speed, but you have to do it very quickly. To get into the Pro mode, you have to be in the Home menu, i.e. this start screen here. Here you have to press the following buttons on the remote control: Info, Mute, Volume Up and Home. The display button, as Sony calls it, is the button under the 7, i.e. Info, Mute, Volume Up and Home. We press that now, i.e. Info, Mute, Volume Up, Home. The TV should now switch off. It does that, and after it has switched off, it switches back on, and if everything was successful, we get the following message. Of course, the speed is important. If you are too slow, the whole thing does not work. If you are too fast, it doesn't work either. So try more often until it works. The TV went up and now the following message should appear. So a little patience. If that doesn't come right away, don't turn off the TV right away. It doesn't take long and then the following window appears. Pro setting in processing. That means we did everything right here. Now we switch to the settings, i.e. the gear button, and say settings here. And now we have the Pro settings point here and we select that. And now there are different functions here. For example, you can start the Pro mode here, switch to normal mode, initialize Pro settings, i.e. reset everything. And here you can display all the settings. You can also export the whole thing to stick and transfer to other televisions if you have several. Start up services, install APKs. And when you wake up the signal, you can set the behavior of the home button here, i.e. if you press the home button, what should happen here? You can now select that. The standard menu, a separate menu, standard and user-defined menu, or the installed app, for example. That is also possible. But let's take a look at everything from top to bottom. So start Pro mode. Here you can start this Pro mode at the end. So we go back and look at the settings first. So start up services. What service should start here? Here you can see a touch keyboard, touch assistant, you can set everything here. Install APKs. Here you can install apps from USB stick. Power supply, a standard, you can always say on or off. PC input optimization. Now you can wake up at the signal, i.e. when a signal comes in, be it HDMI or whatever, you can set the whole thing. Always deactivate. Input change, or you can also set hours, after how many hours. We have already shown you the home buttons. NTP server. You can set which server to access. Account expiration date. Pro mode lock, you can deactivate that. Then you can say, load USB device in standby mode. You can do that too, i.e. that you can load your devices here in standby mode. Restore image and sound settings. Then you have the developer options. Wi-Fi access point. Then important for us at the beginning and maximum volume, i.e. here you can limit the volume. How loud should you be able to set the maximum volume here? Energy saving functions. You can set here when the TV should turn on and off. Regular restart. Function restrictions, i.e. here you can say I want to deactivate the display, deactivate the remote control or deactivate Bluetooth. Turn on the touch panel. Activate button for wide mode. Here you can deactivate or activate the display mirror, i.e. as a smartphone so that you can no longer mirror. You can lock the external inputs here. The integrated tuner. There you can say, for example, which tuner should be used. You can lock or deactivate apps, for example, so that you can no longer start them. Then you have the inputs so that you can also change the view here. And with the quick settings. And if you have set everything up, then of course you choose to start in Pro mode and you have already taken over these settings. And if you say I want to transfer this to another TV, then of course you have to export to Pro settings. Plug in a USB stick and the functions or settings will be transferred here. To get out of this mode again, select to switch to normal mode. Then confirm the whole thing. The TV will now turn off and on again. And you have switched back to normal mode, i.e. to normal TV mode. There are many instructions on the web how to get to this mode. As I said, this is the method that works for me here. There are also others, such as TV off, info, then the volume and mute, volume button plus and on switch. This does not work with my OLED A9. In my case, this button combination works, which we have shown you here. If you have any questions, then use the comment function. Subscribe to our channel. Then you are up to date. Technic Bao says thank you for watching and goodbye.